AI video generators are exploding right now. But is Kling AI actually worth your time or just a hype? We tested it fully, including failed features, real outputs, pricing limits, and download quality. Here is the honest review in under 5 minutes. What Kling AI actually does: Kling AI lets you generate video from text prompt, animate still images, control motion using reference video, replace objects inside the video, and more. On paper, it sounds powerful, but features means nothing without performance. You can see the exact prompt we used. We have documented it clearly in the detailed AlloyPress article, link in description. Let's start with motion control. This feature lets you animate images using reference video. Sounds amazing, but in our test it got stuck processing. Didn't generate video, but credits were refunded, which is good. But this feature wasn't reliable. So right now motion control feels experimental. Next, text to video. We used a detailed cinematic prompt, a futuristic car transforming into a robot, and honestly the output was impressive. Smooth camera movement, strong lighting stimulation, and good transformation sequence. For pure text generated clip, this is strong. But here's the key: Kling reward detailed prompt. If your prompt is weak, your results drops fast. This is not only for Kling. Almost all the AI video generators need perfect prompt, because without telling your need, the output won't be perfect. Now, image to video. This is where Kling AI actually shines. We uploaded a still of a car. With the right cinematic prompt, it added forward motion, depth, and subtle camera movement. For social media reels, this is very usable. Not Hollywood level, but definitely eye-catching. If you compare raw image versus generated video, you will clearly see the difference. Then we also tested object replacement. It works in simple screen, but in complex background you will notice blending inconsistencies. It is usable but not production grade yet. Pricing reality. They used to give 166 free credits previously, but now they give only 66 credits, and also that expire in 30 days. Free downloads will include watermark, and paid plan if you want to create more high quality videos for different purpose. The paid Kling AI pricing plans are ideal since it comes with higher resolution and faster generation. But sometimes pay as you go model and credit consumption are a bit confusing. Here is our honest take. Use Kling AI if you create short form content, you want fast cinematic experience, and you are okay learning prompt structures. Avoid it if you expect flawless feature reliability and you need consistent professional production quality. Hope they will improve consistently. It's powerful but not perfect. If you want all the prompt we tested, full screenshot, credits breakdown, and output comparison, the detailed reviews on AlloyPress website, feel free to check it out. I will add the link in description. For more AI tools review, subscribe to AlloyPress. Stay cool, stay smile.